Court Street, Hillbrow, Johannesburg, 6:15. Nkiru Adeyebe stirs jollof rice, counting shutters with her other hand. 2 doors down, the phone shop is welded shut, steel bars crossed like a warning. Her counter stays open, its bulb throwing a small gold circle onto the pavement. She smells of camwood and pepper soup. 2 trades. A woman surviving on more than one trade. A man hovers where the light stops. Nigerian. She knows by his shoulders. Tight. Ready to run. He will not cross into the gold circle. Bia, she says, not loud. Come. He does not move. His eyes go to the shuttered shop, then back to her. Nkiru wipes her hand on her apron and speaks again. Plain as bread. Bia rie nri dị ụtọ. Come and eat tasty food. The paradox sits between them, unresolved. An open door on a street teaching people to disappear. He takes one step forward, then another. Ndewo. No. I am Yvonne Mbanefo, heritage futurist and daughter of the soil. Welcome to Igbo Daily Drops. Episode 124, week 25, day 4, Thursday. Today, hospitality as the line that will not move. When it is dangerous to be visibly foreign, an open food counter is a declaration. Ka anyị bido. Let us begin. He sits on the stool regulars lean past. She ladles jollof, meat and fried plantain without asking. She stopped asking 3 weeks ago, when the second shop closed. The welded shutters catch the last light like a scar healing wrong. Anyị nwere osikapa jollof dị ọkụ, she says. We have hot jollof rice. He nods, still watching the door. Nkiru's uncle used to say a locked gate feeds no one, not even the man behind it. She only understood that line once she started counting shutters. Today, 3 sentences, words that turn a counter into a room where no one has to be afraid. Repeat after me. Sentence 1. Bia rie nri dị ụtọ. In English, come and eat tasty food. Bia rie nri dị ụtọ. Bia rie nri dị ụtọ. Bia rie nri dị ụtọ. No volume, no drama, just an open hand. Sentence 2. Biko, detụ ofe m ọnụ. In English, please taste my soup. Biko, detụ ofe m ọnụ. Biko, detụ ofe m ọnụ. Biko, detụ ofe m ọnụ. He tastes it. His shoulders drop. Sentence 3. Ọ bụ nri ọma. In English, it is good food. Ọ bụ nri ọma. Ọ bụ nri ọma. Ọ bụ nri ọma. She says it like a small blessing over his plate. These 3 sentences are in your free speaking workbook this week. Download it at learnigbonnow.com. If you're driving right now, just listen. The workbook will be waiting. 4 minutes pass. Rice, soup, tomato prices. Nothing said about the welded shop. Nothing about the ones who left last week. He finishes, unhurried this time. He offers change. She waves it down, then takes it when he insists. Pride matters too. Ọ bụ nri ọma, she tells him. He repeats it, testing the words before stepping into the dark street, standing a little taller. What just passed between them has a name older than tonight's fear. Ndị Igbo say, Onye riwe, ya nyetu nwanne ya. Onye riwe, ya nyetu nwanne ya. One who eats should give to his brother or his kinsman. Sharing was never optional, never only for the safe. In Igbo land, we say that what is on your plate is already halfway to your neighbors. Reverend Dr. Emmanuel Metu Ebule, Alex Ekweme Federal University Ndufu Alike Ikwo, documents it plainly in 2019. No one denies a neighbor or kinsman, stranger included, of what they have. Sharing is paramount in Igbo life. This counter would be recognized in Soweto, where Ubuntu, I am because we are, says the same thing in a different tongue. What elders encoded as obligation, 20th century economists later renamed social capital. Hospitality under threat isn't sentiment. It's infrastructure that refuses to fail. Before this day ends, say, Bịa rie nri dị ụtọ aloud as you set a plate down for someone. Not as practice, as a declaration. Sharing was never only for the safe days. Every sentence you learn is a drop, and every drop feeds Oke Osimiri Mmụta Igbo, the ocean of Igbo knowledge. Grab your free speaking workbook at learnigbonnow.com. This has been your Igbo Daily Drop. Abụ nwanne gị nwanyị Yvonne Choma Mbanefo. I am your sister Yvonne Choma Mbanefo. Ka ahụ gị bụrụ ebe nchekwa ndị ọzọ. May your body be a place of safety for someone else. Ka anyị hụ echi. Until we meet again tomorrow.